Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the business model canvas of Fiix company. Okay, so before going into the BMC, let us see some introduction part related to this Fiix company. Okay, so Fiix company, it is founded in the year 2015 at Ontario in Canada. Okay, so this is a kind of company which does the maintenance work in the automobile, so like scheduled maintenance or unscheduled maintenance or fixing repairs in the automobile, so that kind of things it will deal by this company. The specialty of this particular company is it does this kind of works in the doorsteps of their customers. Okay, so it just visit the home or where the client has been located, and in that particular base the maintenance work has been carried out for their cars or bikes. Okay, so now we'll see the 9 stages of BMC for this particular company. Okay, so the first thing is the key partners. So the key partners of this particular company is the industry enterprises and the customers. So these are the key partners of this particular fixed company, and the technology partners who facilitates the IoT cloud integrations. And the Rockwell Automation is one of the key partners. It's a parent company of this particular Fiix. And implementation and training partners. So these are some key partners who involved in this particular Fiix company, right from the industry enterprise to the implementing partners. So they serve as a key role. They plays a key role in this particular company. And the key activities, it includes the software development and the platform maintenance, the data analysis and AI model improvement, the customer onboarding and supports, and integration with enterprise systems. So these are the key activities has been carried out by Fiix, and the value proposition, it includes the cloud-based CMMS that easy to use and the predictive maintenance with the AI insights. So with the coupling of AI with the automotive maintenance, it makes the maintenance more smarter, and we can use the particular for predictive maintenance, and reduces the downtime and extends the asset life. Asset in the sense are automobile. So lower the maintenance costs, as I said earlier, with the AI of AI, we can predict what things that it will happen in upcoming days. Like with the help of many control system in the automobile, it continuously monitors each and every operation in the car. So with the data, the AI will sense whether what kind of problems is possible. So that kind of thing it will sense, and it can give us a report. So with that we can approach for a predictive maintenance. With that we can lower the maintenance cost which will happen during the breakdown maintenance, and also it improves the productivity. And the customer segment, it includes the manufacturing companies. Yes, the customer segment involves the manufacturing companies, asset intensive industries, the maintenance team, and SME and large enterprises. So these are some customer segments. The customer relationship, it includes the long-term SAS, the partnerships, the customer success teams and onboarding supports, implementation and training support, community, creating a community and dedicated technical support. So these are the things that has been given to the customer to maintain a good relationship with the customers of this firm. And the key resources, it includes CMSS software, IA and analytics engine, skilled experience team, partners network, and API integration. So these are some key resources. And the next comes the channels. So the way where they are showcasing. So the channels, it includes websites, demo request, the mobile applications, direct sales and SAS subscriptions, partner network, API integrations. So these are some channels for showcasing their products or showcasing their works. And the revenue streams, it includes subscription based SAS, the enterprise plans and add-on features, and implementation and training services. These are the things where the revenues has been planned. And the cost structures, it includes R&D and the product development, cloud infrastructure and security, customer support and training, sales and marketing, employee salaries. So these are some cost structures involved in this particular company. So here for each and every company, R&D is more important, and as it is a AI based company, so cloud infrastructure is more, including the security of the particular data, customer support training, it builds the customer relationship, and sales and marketing and employees salaries. So these are the things that we need to keep in mind while the framing our budget for annual period or thing. Okay, so this is the overall BMC of this fixed company. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.